So this year, I'm going to plant garlic. Garlic's good. It's good for you. There are a lot of health benefits to it. So I'm going to try and do 2 cloves a day, twice a day, and see how that goes. You can read up on the health benefits online. There's quite a few. So, cheers. Stay till the end of the video and we'll see how that tasted. So this is a front tine tiller I got from my father-in-law. It's not the biggest. It's a little old. Takes a little bit of loving care to get her started, but she digs down deep. I'd like to have a rear tine also. Let me know in the comments which one you prefer, or if you use both. I love to garden. It's relaxing, and you get a sense of, I did that at the end of your time in the garden for the day. No matter how long you spend gardening, you will always feel good about what you've done. Your knees might hurt, your back might be sore, and your fingernails might have a ton of dirt under them, but it's all worth it in the end. But I also want to have a skill set in case something goes haywire in the world by being able to grow my own food, preserve it, and save seeds for the next year. I feel just a little bit better knowing that I can take care of myself and the people around me. I want to be self-sufficient and get away from corporate and government influences in our lives. The government and corporate America, they don't think we can remove ourselves from the matrix and survive without them. I will try and show you how we can. So by improving myself 1% each day in any aspect of my life, whether it be gardening or creating YouTube content or everything in general, in 20 days, I'm 20% better than I was. In the case of talking in front of a YouTube audience, my growth seems to be more like 1% a month. But anyway, let's get on this YouTube journey together and see if I get any better. Now that I've got it plowed, I'm going to rake it out, get all the grass roots out, and smooth it down, make my rows. But first, we're going to peel the rest of one of the garlic cloves away. So these bulbs are called music, M-U-S-I-C, if I'm pronouncing it right. They're a hardneck garlic. You plant the cloves 1 to 2 inches deep, about 8 inches apart, making sure the tip of the clove is pointing up and the footprint of the root is down. So in northern climates, it may be necessary to cover with mulch prior to the hard freezes of winter, which I'm in zone 6B, we do get below zero. So as soon as the leaves fall, I'll throw a bunch of leaves on top of there, but I've got a month or so before that's going to happen. So these are from Baker Creek seeds, rare earth seeds. They are great to work with, free shipping. They are not sponsored by me, but look them up, Baker Creek rare seeds, rare heirloom seeds. It's real smooth. Real smooth.